Guys, welcome to another video. So today we had a parcel arrive from Born Pretty. So they've sent over 4 of their non-stick solid extension gels and this brand new stamping mixing oil. I'm dying to try this. So you'll see here it does all come plastic wrapped and nicely sealed. Nothing ever arrives broken from Born Pretty, guys. It's really well packed. So you get 10 ml in your glass bottles. You've got your instructions on the back there. So it does cure for 60 seconds in a UV LED light. You've got your ingredients on the back there as well. So we've also been sent over 4 non-stick hand extension nail gels. Again, you've got your ingredients on the back there. So again, these also come plastic wrapped, nicely well sealed. Got my swatch sticks already. We're going to swatch these non-stick solid extension gels first. So this is the first one, which is a clear. So that is the clear. Guys, wait until you see how clear this is. It's just like a builder gel. Look at that. You can read that clear as day. Even the writing at the bottom, that super small writing, look at that, look. Amazing. You do get 15 ml of these pots as well. So this is a red. Now this one's classed as a jelly non-stick gel, but it's not a jelly. It's nothing like a jelly, in fact, which I'm really pleased about. It's actually a bright, opaque pillar box red. I'm hoping they're going to bring out some more colours like this red because, yeah, I'd love some colours in this stuff. I've got so many like nail bed colours now. I'd like some bright colours like this. Look at that, guys. A proper bright red. And I'm just showing you here, look, it's not jellified at all. You can't see through it whatsoever. It is a proper full-on opaque red. Now this one is a jelly gel. This is like a really light nail bed colour pink. This would be really nice to use as, for example, a nail bed colour, and you want that kind of builder gel look where it's still a little bit sheer. Great for that kind of look. This one really annoyed me because it's got, can you see them air bubbles in it? It's really annoyed me, but I didn't prep these at all. I should have really prepped the swatch sticks, but I didn't. So I just want to show you here. This one is jellified. Can you see the... Yeah, you can just see, look, you can see the black through it. Like, you can't read the writing. It's not that clear, but it is jellified, definitely. And then lastly, we've got this one. So this one is a very similar shade, but a little bit darker. I will show you them all together at the end so you can see the difference. I would say this one is a little bit more jelly than the other one. Really nice colour though, isn't it? I like it. Look, can you see? I'll try and show you on this one because you can kind of see the writing through this one, look, where you couldn't on the other one. It's a little bit more translucent. So now we're on to this stamping mixing oil. I've been dying to try this. The minute I saw this come on the website, I was like, I need that. I need to try that. So I've pulled out this plate, BPL 029. So on my palette, I'm going to pop a little bit of stamping polish. This is your regular air dry stamping polish. And I'm going to add a couple of drops of the mixing oil. Get my spatula, give it a little bit of a mix, and then wipe it on the image. So this basically transforms your regular air drying stamping polish into a stamping gel. So if, for instance, like me, you're a little bit slow at stamping, this product will be ideal for you because it gives you a little bit more playtime. Pick the image up with my jelly stamper. As you can see, look at that, guys. Amazing, amazing pickup, full on pickup. It's not missed any. It's transferred beautifully. Now that will need curing in the lamp. So now I've pulled out Born Pretty's Pat Paint. This is their white. I just need to give it a bit of a stir. Always make sure you give these a stir, guys, when they've been sat for a while, because they do kind of separate. So I'll pop that on my palette. I'm going to add a couple of drops of the mixing oil. Give it a stir. I was really, really impressed with this pickup. So pop some of that on the image. Scrape off the excess. Pick it up. Guys, look at that. How pigmented is that? Bright, bright white. Really nice transfer. And again, transferred beautiful to the nail. Look at that. Now I've pulled out a Born Pretty's. This is like an Aurora Chrome Powder. Beautiful colour. I'm going to add a little bit of that to my palette. And then into that, we're going to add a couple of drops of the mixing oil. Give it a stir. Now, I didn't add enough mixing oil to this, so you will see in a minute. I did add some more, because it was a little bit dry. You kind of get a feel for how much you need. Yeah, this was a little bit dry, so you can see there I've added some more, look. So add that to the image, scrape, pick it up. I was a little bit gutted about this one because the part of the image that it did pick up was really, really crystal clear. Look at that. But that top left-hand corner didn't pick up very well. I still think it was a little bit too dry. I think I should have had another drop, really. But it's all trial and error, guys. I've never used this before. Now we're using it as it comes in the bottle. So add that to the image, scrape it away, pick that up. Now you can see this on your stamper. You can't see it very well on camera, but to the eye you can actually see it, because I was a little bit worried that you weren't going to be able to see where you were stamping this on the nail, but you actually can see the image through the stamper. So I'm going to stamp that to the swatch stick. Can you see there? Once it hits the light, you can see the image. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. So that's all fully cured now. And now into that cured stamping oil, we're going to rub that chrome powder in. And there we go. That's how you use it, like that. Really, really cool product this is. So that is the stamped images, what we did. Really, really clear. I definitely need to try mixing the chrome powder with the oil though. I need to try that again. And then these are the 4 solid non-stick extension gels. Love that red, you know, guys. I'm hoping and praying they're going to bring out some more bright colours like that, because that is well smart. So that is everything, guys. Everything that I have showed you today, you'll find links for in my description box below. I have also got a 12% off discount code for Born Pretty, which you'll see is GG10. Don't forget to pop that in at checkout, and that will take 12% off your whole order. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.